So I was speaking to a new friend of mine that I met while speaking at a speaking engagement, and he came up to me after the engagement, and we were having a conversation, and he was explaining how he was trying to start a company with a friend of his, and the friend just kind of didn't want to be a boss ultimately. And the gentleman couldn't figure out why they were trying to start a moving company, and he would go out and find jobs, and his friend wouldn't find jobs, but his friend would be more than happy, ready and able and willing to jump on any job that he got to work. So I had to explain to him that everybody can't be a boss. Employees are necessary. Who's gonna work at McDonald's? Who's gonna work for you when you have your company? You need employees. Anybody that's happy with being an employee, doesn't want more for themselves, no problem. I'm going to give you exactly what you want because that's what you want. If you want to be an employee, fine. You can be the top employee. You can be employee of the month. You can get bonuses if you work hard enough. But I'm going to get the lion's share of the profit because I'm the boss. Everybody's not meant to be a boss. You can't be a boss unless you have workers. You need workers. Let everybody stay in their lane, stay in their line. Anybody want to be an employee, let them do what they do, punch in, punch out. Anybody want to be bosses, make sure you're sitting at the table with them.